All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Chooks Anyaw. I'm your coach. I'm your forest coach and chief instructor. I I want to welcome you guys to another trading week. There are a lot of opportunities in the market, but we're going to take it gradual. Last week was a bit indeterminate. Okay, that's as a lot of the price fluctuations were just knocking off predictions. But I believe that this week is going to be a better week. Okay. And of course, guys, you need to appreciate and understand that looking at the global economy, looking at the global politics, okay, it is rife for you to know that the war happening in the Gulf, okay, is affecting a lot of this currency pairs, and so there are going to be a lot of unforeseen movements in the market. Okay, so we need to be aware of that. A lot of things, a lot of changes are really going to take place as a result of that war. The war is affecting price of oil, is affecting transatlantic shipment of goods across the Red Sea. Okay, so and so many other geopolitical issues, that are suffering as a result of that war. So, guys, we need to be mindful of this. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to teach us how I'm going to analyze this market today. I'm going to look at the news. Okay. We're going to trade UJ. Okay. We're going to trade UJ. Let's look at the news perspective. Let's look at what the news is saying, about United States, that the Fed and the Bank of Japan. Okay, so if you see here, you see Fed's favorite underlying inflation gauge is seeing cooling. Okay, so if the inflation is cooling, there is no immediate intervention. Okay, so that means that the status quo will remain. Okay, and if you look at what is happening, let's see if we can find any news about Japan. Okay, the last time I checked, you see that Japan does not have any intention, to raise rates. It said Japanese yen forecast. Three reasons the Bank of Japan won't intervene in UJ. Okay, so now all the two economies are going to keep, status quo. Are going to sustain status quo as it were. So whatever trend you're seeing in the market now is most likely to continue. Okay, looking at it from the fundamental perspective, guys. Okay, so that said, you go to the calendar. Okay, you go to the calendar and let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. I think there are so many pieces of news that we should look at. Okay, Monday, okay, we're not going to trade the Asian session. Okay, so guys, if you're going to trade the Asian session, there are some pieces of news item you should watch. Okay, so United States dollar is the central bank consumer confidence report. Okay, so this is important for us. Any other news about Japanese? About Japan, there's no other news here. Okay, so I think the coast is clear for Monday. The coast is clear for Monday, guys. Okay, so we don't expect any erratic movement. Okay, so also on Tuesday, the United States, okay, consumer confidence. Okay, I've said that before. So all right, so I think the road is clear for us to move here. Then let's look at central bank interest rates. Now for the United States, okay. Now for Japan, okay, you can see it's even less. The rate has remained, very, very low. Okay, okay, very, very low here at it's less than 0.10%. Okay, less than 0.10%. But if you look at the United States, okay, their rate has always been very impressive. Okay, so investors will rather invest, their capital in government bonds in the US, okay, than in Japan. Okay, so there are some of the things we need to look at. So when you come to the technical perspective, guys, when you come to the technical perspective, if you let's look at the weekly time frame for you to appreciate what is happening in this market. Okay, now when you zoom out on this chart, all right, you see that this market has been bullish. Okay, this market has been bullish, looking at it from the weekly time frame. And if you go to the monthly time frame, okay, you are still likely. Okay, let's just stop at the weekly. Okay, I think this is just instructive. Okay, so this is what we're seeing from the technical point of view here. So it is all the way buy opportunity. Okay, all the way buy opportunity. All right. So guys, if you drop down to the daily time frame, I'm sure you're going to see more reasons to go long on this market. Okay, we're going to see more reason to go long on this market. Okay, so clearly our directional bias has been determined. We will look for buy opportunity in UJ. Okay, we look for buy opportunity in UJ. So how do we approach this from the technical standpoint now? All right, so if you look at it, to see that price has been above the 200 moving average. This is my key level here for price action. Okay, this 200 moving average tells me where the direction of the market. Okay, from a higher time frame. So the market overall is bullish. Okay, so I'm going to look for bullish opportunities. Okay, when I drop down to the lower time frame. Okay, so now let me drop down to 4 hour time frame. Okay, guys, I'm a swing trader. I don't really like the way the market swings. On the lower time frame. So I prefer to remain here. All right. So guys, if you look at this market, let me just turn off the moving averages. Okay, let me turn them off. If you look at this market, technically speaking, you'll see that price has created some levels. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Price has created some high points in this market. Okay, so when you put this here, okay, you see that these are very important levels in price action. Okay, all right. So even if we go back up to the daily time frame, you will see what I'm telling you, that those levels are still very instructive. Okay, very very instructive. So these are my support level. Okay, this is my support level rather. Okay, then when you zoom out, you see that this is a level that price has reached in recent time. Okay, so that's an instructive high. Okay, so I want to keep my eyes, around these two levels. Okay. Another thing that can happen, guys, is for us to see other opportunities that price could create here. Okay. So when I look at my chart patterns, okay, when I look at my chart patterns, okay, I see a thing like this. All right. I see something like this. Okay. All right. I see something like this. Okay. Um, what else? Okay, let me duplicate this. Okay, let's see if we can create this channel. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the channel. All right, that will keep our eyes on. Okay, I want to see price, drop down to any of the levels. Okay, then I'll look for opportunity. All right, I'll look for opportunity. Okay, um, if I drop down to the 4 hour time frame, okay, I drop down to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, if I drop down to the 4 hour time frame, what are we seeing? Okay, price still has a very some distance to travel. Okay, some distance to travel. Okay, so guys, we're going to be patient and wait for this market to play out its possible scenarios. Okay, its possible scenarios. What are other things that we can see in this market? Okay, um, what are other things? Okay, so I'm not. I've not seen much price action that will make me want to, you know, go long here. So why the price action now for me? It's it's a land of nowhere, okay? It's a land of nowhere. I want to see proper price action, okay? I want to see proper price action, okay? Um, without which I'm not able to, to continue. Without which I'm not able to trade this market, okay? So right now I want to see, I want to focus my attention here. At the moment, price is not really, price is not really giving me the kind of push I want to see, okay? Price is not giving me the kind of push I want to see. At the moment, can we see? Can we see any intermediate structure? Okay, let me see if we can build an intermediate structure here. Okay, so guys, what I mean is this: you can see this is resistance here, support resistance. Okay, so price is likely still going to come push up here. Okay, and do its thing. Okay, so I want to see price. Okay, push up here. Okay, and then here. Okay, all right. Then I look for buy opportunity. Okay, so I want to. This is what I want to see in this market. Okay, so it's what I want to see in this market. Okay, so guys, this is my this is my technical outlook. We've looked at the fundamental perspective. We've seen that price is going to continue, okay, doing its thing here, okay? But we're not going to take action until we see price come to structure level, okay? I'm not going to analyze more markets because I believe the fewer the better, okay? So just concentrate on one market that gives you opportunity, okay? Thereafter, you can, if you're able to, if you're able to extract, some level of pips, from the market, then you are good. Okay, you are good. You don't need to trade every market that comes before you. Okay, so for me, this is my markup for this trade. So my directional bias is a buy. All right, guys. So I'm looking for a buy trade. Okay, so we're looking for we're looking for buy trade opportunity. Okay, we're looking for buy trade opportunity, guys. All right, we're looking for buy trade opportunity. Okay, for now, this is a bullish channel. Okay, so you'll see bullish channel. Okay, or rising channel. Okay, whichever way you want it. You can see is a rising what is a rising channel. Okay, is a rising channel. So this is um this is bullish. Okay, this is bullish. Okay, so all right. So okay. So at the moment, price is in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Okay. At the moment, price is in no man's land. Okay, in no man's land. Okay, all right. So while price is there, we don't do anything. Okay, we watch, we observe the market. Okay, we observe the market. Okay, so that's how you trade, guys. So you look for opportunity to trade it, to enter the market from this level. Okay, from this point. Okay, so you look for opportunity here. All right. Okay, we're going to look for opportunity here. Okay, we're going to look for opportunity there, and we'll shoot for a long trade. Okay. All right, so guys, that's all I have for you today. That's all I have for you today. There's no much. Okay, within the week, I'll see if I can scan the market to find other trading opportunities, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so let me just rehearse, or rather, to review um what I've said before. Let me just summarize what I said before, guys. Here, okay. So summary: we're looking for price to come to this level. Okay, at the moment, price is in the land of is in no man's land. Okay, so we call this no man's land. You can't really take any trade from here except you want to trade this moving average, bounce off. Okay, but that's not what I want to do. Okay, I want to. Okay, I can actually, switch off that moving average. For now, I don't need it. When I need it is when I'm looking for confluences. Okay. So, but for now, the market price is in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Price is in the middle of nowhere. Okay. At the moment, price is still doing price action. Okay. So, so the point is that until price comes to my key level. Okay. Here I've developed a mid channel. Okay. Okay. So this channel here, is key level, is a structure level. Okay, so I want to wait for price to get to it the way it got to it here, broke it. After several tests, broke it, came back here, started acting off it. Okay, here price is currently, you know, doing the same thing here. All right. So another thing I could do, we could introduce the Bollinger Bands. Okay, let me see if we can introduce the Bollinger Bands. Okay, let's see if we can introduce the Bollinger Bands. Okay, okay, let's see the Bollinger Bands. They're very good in trading, sideways market. Okay, so you can see that there is there is little liquidity in this market. Okay, the market is currently what, showing that there is no liquidity in the market because of this narrow narrow openings of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so I want to see price also. I want to see volatility return back to the market when the mouth of the Bollinger Band will widen. Okay, then I know that liquidity has re-entered the market. So you can see that these are value structure levels. Okay, value structure level, value structure level. Okay, even here. Okay, value structure level. You can see the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so use Bollinger Bands to trade sideways market. Okay, this market is actually going sideways in the channel structure. Okay, so we'll leave it here, or we'll switch it off when it is time. We'll come back to look at how it's impacting our market. Okay, all right, guys, I hope you understand. You enjoy this trade analysis. Okay, I'm here for you guys. If there's anything you want to know about this setup and all I've explained, just feel free to get to me. I will give you further clarifications. Okay, so summary, we're looking for a buy opportunity from here, or if price gets the structure here, and we're comfortable, if we see the appropriate signals, we can trade off this structure level for a sell or even a buy. After break and retest of structure, we look for a buy opportunity. Okay, so there are a lot of things happening here. Okay, you can actually short this market if you're a good trader. If you're an experienced trader, you can trade a counter trend. Okay, but if you're not experienced guy, don't counter trend. Okay, wait for price to get to structure. Okay, support structure level. Then look for opportunity to enter the market. If you look at it very objectively, you see that this market has been bullish, 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 bullish market. Okay, so guys, bullish market. So you'll be safer to look for a buy opportunity. But for me, I don't care. Market moves up and down. If I see opportunity to the downside, okay, I take it. But if you're not experienced, please don't take that risk. Okay, don't take the risk. You must be an experienced trader to be able to trade a counter trend. Okay. All right, so guys, that's all I have for you this night. Okay, you have a blessed week trading forex. Bye bye.